Hello once again, all you fine math folks. We're taking a look at question number 22 on the 2002 Grade 8 Gauss contest. Hopefully you've had a chance to download a copy of the contest by clicking the link in the description for all the videos in this series, and had a chance to try question 22 for yourself. If each diagonal of a square has length 2, then the area of the square is... Okay. So, area of the square. I have to start thinking of ways to get area of the square, preferably that involve the diagonal of a square. Now, it doesn't come up a whole lot, but there is an actual way to calculate the area of a square in terms of its diagonal. And if you knew this formula, and now you will, having watched this video, you'll be able to answer this quickly. But we will do it another way. So we have a diagonal D. It turns out the side length will be d root 2. We'll show that in a moment. So d root 2 side length squared is the area. So, really quickly, we're told the diagonal is 2. So that means the area is going to be 2 over the square root of 2, all squared. So 2 squared is 4. Square root of 2 squared, those cancel out, we get 2. So the area should be 2. And that would be our final answer, and we'd go with B. But suppose we didn't know that, we hadn't seen this before. Well, let's do this a little slower. Okay. Well, I know I have my square here, and squares have the nice property that they have the same side length. So let x be the side length. That's one of the defining features of a square. Now I'm told that I have a diagonal 2 here. And being a square, squares are rectangles, so we get right angles everywhere. Alright. Now I want the area. Now, if I knew what x was, area is just x squared. X times x, just like a rectangle. Multiply the length by the width, but in this case the length and the width are the same number. They're x. So if I knew what x was, I'd be all set. But I have a right angle triangle here. So, by the Pythagorean theorem, I know that x squared plus x squared should be 2 squared. Okay. Then I get 2x squared, just simplifying these guys. And what's 2 squared? That's 4. Okay. If I divide both sides by 2, I get x squared is equal to 2. And if I was really clever, I'd realize, well, x squared, that's my area. So there's my area is equal to 2. But if I didn't know that, that's okay. I can square root both sides and figure out x. Because remember, if we knew x, we could plug it into this formula. So square rooting both sides, x is square root of 2. So the area is x squared. So that's going to be root 2 squared. And that's going to be 2. So there's actually 3 ways we can get it. 2 of them sort of along the same lines. And this one over here, the one we started with, is if you're really sharp, if you knew the way to relate the diagonal to the area, that's fine too. Any of these work, and they all gave us the same answer. Area is 2. So that means B is unequivocally our answer. Okay, so we'll flip over to the next page in our little notebook in anticipation of the next question, and that's going to be question number 23. So, hopefully you enjoyed question 22. I certainly did, and I hope we both move on together and enjoy 23. We'll find out in the next video.